figured out how Fisk's men are keeping his rackets running. Construction sites.
Wasn't that shut down when he was arrested?
No, it's one of his legitimate businesses. Multiple investors. We can't act without cause.
But now you've got that, right?
That's why I'm hoping you can keep an eye on the locations. Tell me if you see anything suspicious.
You got it. I'll be your nosy neighborhood Spider Man. Yuri, I'm at a Fisk construction site, and there's a lot of guys here who aren't exactly constructing.
What are they doing?
I'm gonna go find out.
Huh, just got a text from Doc. Looks like he attached an idea for a Spidey gadget. Man, does he ever stop inventing? Wow, this looks like it could work.
Let's see. Can't read this. Should have brought my glasses. All clear.
Awesome. Doc would be proud.
College for this? Can't believe Spider Man finally.
It ain't over till it's over.
Oh, I know. But I remember when he was a punk kid and the boss used to hand him his ass on the regular.
I thought the boss killed him that one time. Dumb enough.
Maybe he did. Lenny says there's more than one Spider Man.
Bite your tongue. That's all we need. Spider Man.
You guys are new here. The spider got so let me give you rule number 1. You do not want to be late for the shipment.
You got company. Checking it out.
Nap time.
I'll teach you some respect. Keep him on the ground. Come on, get him. Spider-Man, teach him some respect. Eat that. Stay down. I'll shut your mouth permanent. Don't let him web you. Gonna crush your skull! I can't punch him if he's in the air!
Uh-oh, more of them.
Friggin' ballerina! Get down here!
Spider-Man, turns out we busted 4 illegal firearms dealers within a 3-block radius of that site.
Gun running. Let's see what I can do to cut down the supply.
Got lucky. I'll teach you some respect! No! We'll take you alive or dead. This doesn't care. No, not me! You shouldn't be dead. Keep doing that! Have some of this! How do you do that? You don't mess with the Kingpin in
Dang, looks like they called their buddies. Oh, hey, more guys. Welcome to the party. House rules. Leave your shoes at the door. Unless you're not wearing socks, in which case, buy some socks already.
I'll teach you some respect. How was that? Get down! Boss wants your head. Don't you dare hit me with that! Smoke him! You're mine! Get back down here! It's the end for you!
Ah, anyone want to surrender? No?
What the hell was that? You should have seen him then. Hit him! How do you do that? I'm in an ass-kicking mood. How was that? Shut your mouth permanent. Not that easy.
Place is locked down, Captain. Actually, webbed down.
And someone finally reported shots fired, so I've got officers inbound. Good work. Fisk has more construction sites throughout the city, vetting their fronts too. Keep an eye out, and report in if you see anything suspicious.
If I'm gonna find all of Fisk's construction sites, I should recalibrate my mapping software to be more accurate. Using a depth-mapped post-process on photos of popular landmarks should do it. And I know just the one to start with.